Here's how to create a realistic multi-voice conversation using ElevenLabs. Go to text-to-speech, and before doing anything else, change the model to V3. This is the only model that supports the multi-voice dialogue feature. If you skip this step, the Add Speaker option will not appear, and most people do not realize why. Once on V3, you will see an Add Speaker button in the prompt area. Click it to introduce a second voice into your audio. The key to making multi-voice dialogue sound convincing is choosing voices that contrast each other clearly. Different genders, different ages, or noticeably different speaking styles. If you pick two similar voices, the listener will not be able to tell them apart, which defeats the purpose. Assign each speaker a distinct voice from the library. Write your script labeling which lines belong to which speaker and generate. ElevenLabs handles the transitions automatically with no additional setup needed. A tip for longer scripts: keep each speaker's lines relatively short before switching. Long, unbroken monologues followed by a voice change feel less like a natural conversation and more like two separate recordings stitched together. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.